Today we are going to see about dictionaries in Python. In Python, what are dictionaries? It is an unordered collection of data values. It is used to store the data values in key value pairs. Then next is dictionaries are mutable and indexed. Mutable is nothing but we can change the values of a variable and each element is to be indexed. The index is started with zeros. Okay, every element starts with zeros. Defined using a curly braces for dictionaries. The key must be a unique. We cannot give a variables like and constants. Okay. Then values can be of any data type, either a int, float, character. Any data type we can represent in the dictionaries. There is a syntax for dictionary here represented by my is a variable equal to key 1 is a key value, then value 1 is a value for key 1, then key 2, value 2 is for key 2. Then understand why we use dictionaries, why we are using dictionaries here. We have to access the data fastly, for that we are using a dictionary. For example, real world mapping, we are going for a student database. We have to collect the student database for a unique ID. For that ID, we can use to search the data of a particular student. Suppose diverse data types. How can we store the data and access data efficiently? For example, in student database, I said no, unique ID, having an ID number. Then for employee records, also we can search a unique ID. Then product catalog, having a unique ID, product catalog. We can search a particular product or employee ID or employee student data. We can easily identify the data of our students. Next, different ways to how to store the data. We can store the data in ways. One is list, another one is tuples, another one is dictionaries. In list, we are having no constant values. Any kind of list we can give the list. In tuples, it is an immutable. We cannot change the value of the list. Then dictionaries, we have to use only key based with the values. Then by using prototype, we can create a simple dictionary like our variable name is student. We are assigning the value. Name is John, age is 21 and course is Python. To access a particular student name, we have to give like student name gives a John is a student name. For this is a way to access a particular student name. How to modify and access the data? This is a test statement which we are doing in a particular dictionary. Modifying the data here. For example, we are using a student age is 22. Okay. Previously we put 21. Now we are going to change 22. Next thing is add new item in student variable, that is grade, that is A. Then if you want to delete item in the student list, delete student course. Then see some common dictionary methods. Keys are there. First thing is key returns a view object with all keys in the dictionary. Key is nothing but a function. It is used to display what are the keys in the dictionary. If it is a student database, we go for a name, age, like that we can display the student keys. For example, we are using my dictionary. They are giving a key as a name, age, and the other key is age as 25. So we are going to print the my dictionary as keys. Can anyone say the answer of these keys?
Dict underscore keys name age.
Okay. Dictionary. It returns values in the dictionary which we are giving the keys. For this example, first we have to print my dictionary dot values. In dictionary, values is to be displayed. Can anyone say the answer for this?
The output is dict underscore values alice comma.
It returns the value of an object with key comma value which we are provided in the dictionary. Same, both the things that we are given in the dictionary pass as a tuples. For example, print my dictionary items which we have stored in the dictionary. Can you say anyone answer?
Items name alice age and 24.
Next thing is get. It None. The next thing is print my dictionary, gender not specified. If you are not specified any gender, the output will be a not specified. Then next update, we have to update our dictionary by using the update function. Update the dictionary with the specified key value class. Existing keys will be the overwritten. If already we gave the key values, it will be overwritten. For example, my dictionary.update, we have to give ages 26. Previously